Good morning, everyone. This is your girl, Mrs. Rita F. Brewer. I'm about to come live, but I just want to show you guys my hair products. I already start. I just want to show you guys before I put it in a bottle, and then I will come live to show you guys. All right. So let me show you guys what I'm doing in the kitchen. So this is the oil, Rita's DIY oil. This is my oil. You can see. I'm getting ready. I'm preparing it to put in a bottle. This is my oil for massive hair growth. The oil that is growing my hair like crazy. Yes, this is the oil, guys. I'm still doing it. I'm still on it. All right, now let me show you guys the Living In spray as well. This is my Living In conditioner, or let's say Living In spray. All right, that is also here. Let me take this bottle out because I'm gonna blend it and put it in my oil so you can see. All right, I take it out. That is it, guys. I'm getting it ready. This is my massive hair growth spray. We call it hair spray, water spray. Okay, it's very massive. It will grow your hair so quickly. Get ready to get yours as soon as possible. And this is the oil, so I'm getting it ready. See you soon.